Hello, you're watching Native Mobiles. Today I wanna assemble Nokia 8800 Classic. So everything is almost here. As you see, the flex cables are already on the slider as it was taken from the swap phone. So we will start assembling from this part. Actually, the way I do assemble it may vary from the official manuals, but I do it on my own. So all responsibility for the action you will repeat is on your side. So first of all, I will put the camera lens. It's already with the loudspeaker. So maybe at first I will take the loudspeaker out of it. Thus it was together. Then I will open it. For me it will be easier. We'll show it from this side, how it's going. Click, it's already here. Now I have to put the loudspeaker there. That wants to come out. And I want him to be there. So I don't understand why it's happening so, but it doesn't want to get in its place. So now it's here. We bend the camera. Now we clean the screen. The screen is cleaned. So now we take the front cover and assemble it in this way. First of all, the top side. See, it's there. Came out. One more time. Yeah, now we finally succeeded. So now we should put the screw there. I use a Torx T5. These small screws. I will start it from here. Actually, they always want to fall down. Yeah, you're watching the full version. You see how I face these difficulties. I don't know, I can't deal with the small screws. For me, it's always a big problem. So, yeah. Need 4 of them. See, everything seems at the beginning okay, that it comes on the right place, but then it falls out, and then I can't even screw it. That's why I always try to first put it on the screwdriver. See, yeah. Success. Hope we'll succeed without the turn. Yeah, one more left. So now we take the keypad. The way I install it, I do this way. First of all, I place it a little bit lower than it has to be. First on the left side, then I bend it a little bit. Then it comes to its place. Then I just move it. And seem that it's almost installed, but some problem is still here. But now it's fixed. Yeah, so some movements forward towards, and it stays as it has to be. Or does it look like? So actually I'm not sure that it's okay. This one, maybe. I will take it away again. So, closing it. And shaking one more time. Well, I still feel that it's not... Yeah, sure. Now it is. So, now the thing that I want to try is to be sure that the loudspeaker I installed works, that everything works. So now I connect just the main board to check how it's going. Just we do a check. So I also have an battery here. So now taking it together, if I now hear a tone, I will be happy. So the problem is that I don't hear the tone. So actually, isn't it a problem that something is bad with the loudspeaker? So let me try to do it again. Maybe we could even try it this way. We install the antenna module in the middle cover, just in order to be everything easier. It's maybe the thing I think is a loudspeaker is actually not the right thing, as maybe the music is playing from the down. I don't remember it actually, so let us check it together. Yeah, so everything's okay. Let us finish it. So the thing is already assembled. So now we need to put the keypad cover here. Pay much attention, as you can ruin some SMD components that are down on that flex. So now it is in the right place and it's fixed. So what we have to do now is to close it. But as we think everything was okay, so maybe now for us it will be easier to put this plate. So I removed, so yes, of course some glue left there, but there are no parts of old adhesive left there. So now I can be sure that I'll install it at once. That I'll need no problem there. So move it from here, then put in there, and so it's on its place. And we can just take it away. Also, let us be sure that it's stick together. And now let's pull the middle cover. So also see, I do it from the upside. So now I need to change torques. Now I will take T6 and now we need to put the screws. So we have short and we have long. As I remember, the short should be installed there. Let us check it. And the long can here. So then one more. And the last one. So the sticker will be replaced a little bit later. Now we put the battery. Now we put the battery cover. Now I just clean it, even if it's foil. It should look perfect. Let us switch it on. So it is. Today we assembled Nokia 8800 classic silver color. You can buy genuine parts for THF mobiles, as well as find any devices in assembly line and disassembly line. So see you, bye.